Hello, everyone. Relational Database Management Systems, RDBMS, are essential for managing structured data efficiently. Various RDBMS products are available, each with unique features, advantages, and use cases. This tutorial covers four major RDBMS products: Oracle, IBM DB2, Sybase APASE, and Microsoft SQL Server. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand the key features, benefits, and considerations for each of these systems. So let's first begin with the Oracle database. Oracle, initially released in 1980, is one of the most widely used relational database management systems. It is known for its speed, especially for short-running queries, and is considered a solid market leader. Oracle supports multiple operating systems, including Windows, Unix, and Linux, making it a flexible choice for diverse computing environments. You should consider using Oracle if you require transaction control flexibility, you plan to host a large database, you need high scalability, you want a platform-independent database. It employs PL/SQL, procedural language, which a powerful extension of SQL that allows procedural programming within the database. One key aspect of Oracle is that it is a closed-source system, with the free version offering a limited feature set. Unlike some other databases, temporary tables in Oracle persist across sessions and must be explicitly removed by the user. Security is a crucial component of Oracle, as it is built with strict coding practices that ensure a robust and secure database environment. Oracle supports four different character or string types: char, varchar2, nchar, and var2, providing flexibility in handling text-based data. Its interface is designed for ease of use, making database management straightforward. The system is well equipped for handling large-scale databases and offers extensive backup mechanisms, ensuring data integrity and availability. A key strength of Oracle lies in its extensive and flexible storage customization, allowing the use of commands such as tablespace, synonym, and packages. It also provides both table-level and row-level locking, enhancing data integrity and concurrency management. The next one is IBM DB2 RDBMS. So let's go through some of its features and introduction. IBM DB2, first released in 1983, is commonly found in IBM host environments. A major version of DB2, known as IBM DB2 for Linux, Unix, and Windows (LUW), is widely used across various industries. You can use DB2 if you already maintain an in-house DB2 installation, you wish to federate data from multiple sources, you need to access data at high speed. Performance optimization is important to your project. For long-running queries, DB2 is faster than Oracle. IBM DB2 is a market leader on mainframes and is one of Oracle's biggest competitors, especially on Unix and Linux platforms. However, like Oracle, it is a closed-source system, with enterprise editions available for a price. Unlike Oracle, DB2 does not inherently protect stored data. Instead, IBM relies on external security mechanisms, integrating database security with the underlying operating system. One advantage of DB2 is its faster deployment time, averaging 57 days less than an equivalent Oracle-based solution. The system is designed to maintain relational integrity, ensuring consistency in database transactions. DB2 employs sharding for table partitioning, which divides large databases into smaller, more manageable components known as data shards. While DB2 offers multiple disaster recovery and availability options, it lacks native support for XML and character or string data types, making it less flexible in some applications. Now let's dive further into Sybase, which is also one of the RDBMS products. Sybase was initially developed by Sybase Inc. in 1987 for Unix-based systems. Over time, it evolved into SAP Adaptive Server Enterprise, ASE, a high-performance transactional relational database. In 1996, Sybase was renamed Adaptive Server Enterprise, ASE, to differentiate it from Microsoft SQL Server. Sybase is ideal for scenarios that demand a high-performance relational database system with a focus on data security. It provides strong security features, including encryption, authentication, and granular access controls, ensuring that sensitive data remains protected. Additionally, Sybase integrates seamlessly with SAP ecosystems, making it the preferred choice for organizations using SAP applications. The database employs a storage engine that supports various data types, indexing methods, and partitioning strategies to enhance data retrieval and management. A key strength of Sybase is its dynamic memory allocation system, which optimizes performance based on workload demands. It is widely used in industries such as financial services, telecommunications, and healthcare. One unique characteristic of Sybase is its ability to operate as a single process, multi-threaded server, efficiently handling multiple concurrent tasks. It provides deployment flexibility, allowing organizations to deploy it on premises as an infrastructure as a service IaaS cloud solution or as a fully managed database as a service DBS. Sybase is a proven and flexible SQL database system that helps organizations reduce risk and increase agility. It securely and reliably captures transactional data while lowering operational costs due to its resource-efficient relational database server design. The system is built to scale, handling intense and high-performance workloads with ease. At the end, we have another type, which is the Microsoft Server RDBMS. So let's explore some introductions and features related to this. Microsoft SQL Server has been a dominant database system, particularly for Windows operating systems. It was first released in 1989 and has grown into a powerful database solution. In 2016, Microsoft announced SQL Server 2016 for Linux, expanding its reach beyond Windows. SQL Server is particularly beneficial for .NET development environments, large enterprise databases, and processing workloads rather than application development. It offers a high degree of control over databases, making it an excellent choice for organizations that need fine-tuned database management. Microsoft SQL Server is a closed-source system, primarily designed for corporate and enterprise environments. Microsoft has consistently been recognized as an industry leader, appearing in Gartner's Magic Quadrant for several categories, including Operational Database Management Systems, ODMS, data warehousing and analytics, business intelligence, and advanced analytics platforms. One key feature of SQL Server is Transact SQL, TSQL, an extension of SQL initially developed by Sybase. It enhances SQL capabilities by adding procedural programming constructs, making database operations more powerful and flexible. SQL Server allows organizations to fine-tune security features, including granular control over stored procedures and data access permissions. However, it requires a deeper understanding of database configurations compared to other tools. While its database engine is slightly slower and more resource-intensive, it is fully ACID compliant, ensuring reliable and consistent database transactions. The introduction of SQL Server on Linux has given organizations an alternative to Oracle, which is known for its aggressive licensing policies. SQL Server also offers a comprehensive reporting system and extensive storage customization options, making it a versatile choice for enterprise database management. Despite its strengths, SQL Server has a relatively high resource footprint. However, it does not lock tables during schema changes, allowing for more flexible database modifications. It provides a high degree of control over transactions and procedures, ensuring efficient database operations. Choosing the right RDBMS depends on several factors, including system requirements, scalability, security needs, and platform compatibility. Oracle is an all-around solid choice for organizations requiring high scalability and platform independence. IBM DB2 is ideal for those needing fast access to large datasets and mainframe integration. Sybase, now known as SAP ASE, is perfect for high-performance transactional databases, particularly in the financial and telecommunications sectors. Finally, Microsoft SQL Server is well suited for Windows environments and large corporate databases, providing robust security and analytics capabilities. Each of these database systems has its strengths and limitations, and selecting the best one depends on an organization's specific needs. By understanding their features and capabilities, organizations can make informed decisions and maximize their database performance. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you like it, then don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.